Hey Data fam, welcome back to my channel. So one of my subscriber asked me to tell how to fill that Google Apprenticeship Form 2025. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to log in with your Gmail account, and then you can take the reference of that link which I have put in my previous video. So as I told, there are 4 steps which you have to fill. So number one, careers profile starts with your resume. You have to put your resume in a PDF format. Moving forward, then you have to put your contact details such as your name, your address, your email, and then you have to put and then there is a website option also. So in that website you can put your portfolio link if you have any portfolio, so that it will help to the recruiter to get a look of your all your resume or whatever you have put in that portfolio. So this is also a very main step which you cannot skip. Number second comes your higher education, from where you have done your degree. So you have to put that, your graduation and post graduation. Moving forward, your work experience, like you are applying for your first job, yes or no, and then skills such as which are required for a data analyst, you can put those links. And then moving forward, your preferred location, which location you prefer the most, like they have given 3 locations, so you can choose from one of them. Then cover letter, and then profile preference. Then you have to click here to, like, you the information you have provided about yourself is true and accurate. So then you will be moving forward to the next step. So in the next step you have to role information. So in this you have to choose your preferred location. Like they have given 3 options: Hyderabad, Mumbai and Bangalore. So you have to choose your nearest location, and then they will be asking any work authorization which you require, like you are legal to work in India, or you need some kind of sponsorship to country of employment to work in Google. Then next, then voluntary self declaration. So you have to declare your basic, like your gender and from which ethnic group you belong, and if you have any disability or not, and if you have serving in a military or you have served in the past. So these are very basic questions which you have to fill. Again, they will be asking your consent, like if, the information you are providing is correct or not. And then just take these according to your preference, and then moving forward, and this will be the last step. So in this you can review and apply to this, and you can even edit also, because like if you have done something wrong or if you have missed something, so you can again edit and put your information. And in the last they will be asking you, like all the things you have put in is correct or not. And then next, and then next, and please try to fill this form with open mind and open eyes, so that maybe if we'll get chance, it will be a very good opportunity for fresher. So try to fill it wisely. Then next, and there, and here you hand review and apply, and at the end I understand that the information every form which asks, so then you can put it on apply. So this is how you can fill your information correctly. So I hope from this video everything is clear, and do apply for this opportunity. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep supporting to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.